Elementary part 4. Part 4 agad. Huwag po natin istorbohin si Aliyah Dana Toledo kasi siya po ay nag-practice for her speech. Kanina, nag-practice kami as campaign manager and hindi kami ready kasi Tagalog yung part ko. Eh sabi ni Ma'am Ami, English daw. So ayun, bukas, I meant sa Monday, paayos na talaga namin. Tapos, ayan, pa-practice si Aliyah. Makamig ko sabihin Aliyah. Putang ina, ayoko na mag-speech. Siya kasi ang running for president ng AQ party. And, for sure, mananalo siya. Muhahaha. Tapos, wait lang. Magme-memorize siya. Pakinggan nyo.
Good morning. Take 2. Good morning to our principal, Mrs. Ruth and Julio. To our... Ano ba yun? High school. Wait, 1 or 2.
Take 3.
Take 3. Good morning to our principal, Mrs. Ruth and Julio. To our high school academic coordinator, Ms. Alana Piladesma. To our students development coordinator, Ms. Feby Filio. To my teachers and to my fellow students. I am Aliyah Dana L. Toledo, running for the position from
Cute. Okay.
I am Aliyah Dana L. Toledo from Tukalinga, under the advisory of Mr. Jason Cononiban. I'm running for the position of presidency under the banner of EQ. First of all, what are the roles of a president? A president leads and controls the class. A president will be in charge. President will be in charge when there is a teacher present at the moment. A president is trusted by the whole class. A president makes sure that his or her section follows the school's rules and regulations. If ever I were... Ano kasi ba? Boss. If ever I were elected as the president of our class, I will do my best to do all of what I stated a while ago. I will also do my best to fulfill all their expectations to me. Boom!
I won't promise.
I won't promise anything. He said, I will do...
I won't promise anything.
I won't promise anything, but instead I will do my best. I will do my best.
Everything.
I will do everything
For the benefit
of our
Dito na po ang teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.